What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to create an image gallery using WPBakery WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP-admin, enter with your login credentials and review the left sidebar of menus. Make sure that on plugins you have WPBakery plugin installed, okay? In the case you don't know how to install plugins, let me know into the comments so I can guide you. After, go to your page and hit the submenu Add New, or go to a previously made page. As soon as it loads, you're gonna look like this, so click on WPBakery Page Builder button into the top section of your page, and here is the layout, okay? You can edit on front end or back end, classic mode or front end. You can select layouts to get started. You can use a page without menu and footer or a page that comes with menu and footer. I'm gonna use this option. Click on Add Element. Now, let's search for image. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a little search field and you can click and type image, just like this. And we have single image, image gallery, and image carousel. Go to image gallery. It can be external links from image sources or your media library. It can open a light box as soon as a person click on the image, open a custom link or link to the image. I recommend that you open a light box. Now click right here to select the image. I'm gonna use this, and this. This for image, okay? Then I'm gonna click on Add Image. You can go to upload files to upload media from your computer. And here is the result. Then you can change the sizes, okay? For example, you can type a size this way, in the case that you want. For example, just like this. Or you can simply type full, just like this, to have it on full widget, okay? Then auto rotate in every 3 seconds. You can change the animation. You can change the widget title, apply some element ID or a custom CSS name. And if you go to design options, you're going to be able to play with border and border radius, padding, margin, and other background colors in the case that you want. Let's preview. A section becomes too big. Let me decrease it just a little bit. I'm gonna apply this into some columns section, just like this. Let me drag and drop it in the middle column. And here is the result we got, okay? Nice, right? Now, how to do this into the front end? Click on front end editor. It's gonna load the editor. Let me just delete this one. I'm gonna click into the plus button, find the image gallery, select my image. Let me use now a little bit bigger photos, just like this. Now we're gonna change this right here for full. Okay. And here is the result we got. A gallery that auto rotates. And you can see the result immediately. Here's another layout, style. And always remember to hit the upper right corner of your screen button called Publish to save your changes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!